What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to the kitchen, where the air fryer's hot, the chicken's juicy, and the flavor illegal in 14 countries. Today, we're turning boring chicken thighs into a mouth-exploding, flavor-bombing, black bean garlic masterpiece. Air fryer gang, where you at? Let's cook some chaos. We're throwing together about a tablespoon and a half of black bean garlic sauce. Don't be shy, this stuff slaps. Add a tablespoon of oyster sauce, thick and glossy like drama on a cooking competition show. A teaspoon of sesame oil, not too much, unless you like your chicken tasting like toasted Sesame Street. Hit it with a teaspoon of brown sugar, a little garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Stir that up like you're mixing potions at Hogwarts. Taste test that marinade and adjust. If your eyes don't roll back a little, you ain't done yet. Alright, here's our culinary dream team. Chicken thighs, because flavor lives in the dark meat, don't fight me. Black bean garlic sauce, fermented funkiness in a jar. Smells like it benches 300. Oyster sauce, salty, sweet, and silky like berry white in liquid form. Sesame oil, the nutty drizzle of the gods. Garlic powder, because fresh garlic takes time and I'm already starving. Brown sugar, a little sweet talk never hurt nobody. Salt and pepper, the old reliable couple still going strong. Now slap those chicken thighs in a bowl, pour that magic over them, and massage like you mean it. Get in there. Tell that chicken it's about to be famous. Optional. Marinate 30 minutes or overnight if you have the patience of a monk. If not, full send it. Alright, into the air fryer basket, skin side up if you've got skin. Set that beast to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Flip at the 10-minute mark and optionally brush with more sauce for that glazed donut shine. Boom. Set it. Forget it. Go do some squats. Or watch TikToks. I won't judge. I'm sweating. I'm crying. I'm texting my ex just to say she missed out. It's savory, sweet, garlicky, with a little slap from the black bean funk. It's like if soy sauce had a rebellious cousin who dropped out of college to start a food truck. Look at this. Golden, sticky, juicy. The sauce caramelized like it owes you money. You get crispy edges, sticky glaze, and thighs so tender you'll question everything you know about poultry. Slap that like button if your mouth is watering. Subscribe if you believe in chicken miracles. Drop a comment. What should I throw in the air fryer next? Shrimp? Tofu? My unpaid bills. Catch you next time on Golamorous. Peace, love, and crispy thighs, baby.